and welcome back to my channel. Today is actually a very exciting yet very scary video. Today I am going to try to use this disposable ear piercing units. You can easily buy this from Amazon. I'm going to put the link down below. This is actually gifted to me, so thank you, Chelsea, for gifting this to me. I have been wanting to have double piercings on both of my ears, and maybe this is a sign because my client gave me this piercing units. So the first thing that we're gonna do is to measure where I want to put it on. And okay, I have something on Pinterest pulled out on how many millimeters it should be. Okay. So I know that the distance from here to here should be 7 millimeters. So, and that's based from the Pinterest picture that I've seen. So I am going to cut a tape with 7 millimeters. So I know the distance. Okay. 5. So just up to here. So I got the 7 millimeters. So from this to this, okay, that's right. This to this is 7. And then I'm going to sanitize my ears. Sanitize. So my hands have been sanitized and so is my ears. So I'm going to do this here. Yeah, I think I want that to be there. And then this side should be inverted. So from here. Alright, I think this is farther than this. Dad, need your help. We're gonna call for the reinforcement. Is this even?
Odd.
Yung toldo ko?
Oh!
But you have to do this so
Teka, chill ka lang, chill ka lang.
Asa wag hindi makita yung mukha?
Yeah, that should be fine.
Yeah? Okay, wash your hands na.
We have to practice sa ano.
No practice. We don't have a practice. This may higaw na to eh.
So paano kung malaman na tama yung target?
Ipipinch mo muna dun sa makikita mo yung needle, right? Bago mo i-press ng bongga.
I like this.
Excited siya kasi gusto niya ako masaktan.
Yung video mo yan?
So I called for reinforcement. So my husband will be piercing my ears. You excited? You can talk, honey. So there's a needle there. So you can do this so you know where it goes. And then before you punch, okay? Like this, oh honey, oh. Like you can see, oh, this that hole!
Pag prines ko, malakas. Or mahina lang.
You have to go all the way like, poof! You wanna see sa video?
No, that's fine.
Ah!
Ready?
Dan! Daddy! Hawakan mo kaya ng matindi muna.
Ready? Set.
Ah!
Set.
Ay, may stuck here for a little while daw.
Okay.
But yeah, there you go. Whoa! It's not that bad.
Again!
Ah, cute!
Again!
Okay. It's all the way through, love.
Of
That's
course.
good. Woo! I feel hot.
Bakit?
Ah, fudge.
I like it.
Oh my gosh!
Thank you, Lord, for-
Lali, there's one more!
Oh.
It hurts! It hurts! It's so warm now, oh! Ah!
Happiest day!
Happiest day of your life?
Mm-hmm.
I think closer kasi medyo napa-ano ko, no? Napa-far ako here.
Ano closer?
Like, parang farther yung nalagay ko. I think it's supposed to be less like that.
Taas ko ng konti.
No, baba mo ng konti. Like here.
Eksakto sa line.
Yeah.
Kasi?
Such a cute! Ah! Pero masakit!
Dum!
Ah! Ako pwede! Teka lang! PJ said to put my chin on the chair.
Yeah.
Ah!
Tapos di pantay, no?
Ay mo.
Ready?
Ah! Let go mo yung hand mo!
Okay.
Yan, tapos magpo-fall na siyang ganyan. Woo!
Pantay ba? Let's...
And then there's two parts. You just have to remove one by one. The key is,
Is this
after,
good?
I think the key is after you punch, let go of your hand. Because the weight of your hand will drag the thing. Done, and oh my god, it's so cute! I feel so warm though. Like, it feels super, super warm. Ooh. So, I think the key thing, if you're using this, once you press it, let go of your hand because your hand actually adds weight to it. So, it hurts. So, immediately let go of your hand. And then, there's two clear things here. So, you have to remove one part first and then the other part. But oh my god, it's so cute. I've been wanting double piercings ever since and now I have it. It's so cute. I don't know how long you should have this on before you can change it into another earring. I'll be putting where you can get the gun on the description bar below. If you have been wanting to add piercing on your ears, this is actually a good gadget that you can actually do at home. It's not so bad now. I just feel that my ears are very warm. Initially, you'll really feel the pinch. It hurts initially, but now it's okay. Yay! So all the screams are all worth it. It's super, super cute. So thank you so much, dolls, for watching. If you find this video informative, please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, so you'll always be updated once a new video is out. Thank you so much, dolls, for watching. I'll see you on my next one.